This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change your document's page orientation in Word. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Word here. To change your page orientation in Microsoft Word, by default it should be in portrait mode, as you see right here. To change it to landscape, first thing you want to do is go up to the Layout tab at the top. You want to click on that. And then right down here on the ribbon, you can see it says Orientation. You want to click on that. And then from here, you can change it to either Landscape or Portrait. I'm going to change it to Landscape. And now my Word document is in Landscape mode. And to change it back to Portrait, you just follow the same steps. Click on Layout, and then go down to Orientation. Click on that. And then I'm going to change it to Portrait mode. That is how you change your page orientation in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.